All right, what I need you to do on this one is, so you need to go through this list. I'll send this to you. So like these are separated by commas, but so the first one what you're going to do is this. Let's just put it in Google. And then, so you go to their website, just make sure that it's the right place. So what these are, they're places that build homes. So you're going to go here, and then you are going to go to contact, and then put in my information. So um, for the email, you can um, you can put in uh, our email, but like let's say you have to send an email from your email. Let's say they gave you like an email to email them. You're going to just email them the information. You can just email them from your account, and then when you get a response, you can just send it to us, if that makes sense. So your phone would be 729-3603. So this really all doesn't matter. Um, you can use the information from Pro Platinum. Just don't put Pro Platinum. We don't really want them to know our business. Just use my name. So, and then your town or city. What you're actually looking for is, so for this particular case, what it is the area is Lakewood Ranch, and what you're going to do is send this information, and that's it. Um, make sure it goes through. All right, it went through. And then you're going to go here and advise me what you did. And then that's pretty much it. Like I said, for instance, let me look at another one here. If it gives you an email, then you're just going to email them directly from your email. So this is the same thing. It's a form. But anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.